Captain, good morning, boy.
Here you go, Captain. Eat up, good boy.
Okay, today is the day. Captain goes to the vet.
Okay, boy, we're going for a ride.
Come here, Captain. Smell this.
Captain, what's wrong? We're going to the vet today.
Good morning, everyone. Are we going somewhere fun?
We're taking Captain to the vet.
Oh no. Poor Captain.
Every year, same thing. What was that?
That was Captain.
He's under the bed again. Captain, come here, boy. Captain, come. Captain, buddy, come on. It's me. It's Jack.
Hi, Captain.
How is it going?
Not great.
Captain, sweetheart. Come out, darling. You're okay, Captain. We're all here.
I have an idea.
What is it?
We need treats.
Good idea.
Big treats. The appointment is at 10.
That's 40 minutes. Enough time.
That's enough time. Maybe.
We're going to help you, Captain.
Okay, let's try treats. Here, the treat drawer.
Let's see what we have. We have 5 options. Beef, peanut butter, salmon.
Start with the good one. The beef strip. Look, Captain. Yummy. Come get it. He doesn't want it? That's the best one. Let me try. What about this one? Peanut butter, Captain. He's coming. Unbelievable.
Still nothing? Here, have some tea.
There has to be a way.
Let me try. I have this one. We just need to wait.
There has to be a way. What does he like? I'm looking it up. It says, sing to them.
Sing to them. Really?
I'm just saying what it says.
I can sing. I know a song.
A song? Really?
Let her try.
You are safe, you are okay. Nothing bad will come today.
Is it working?
I am here, right beside you. Nothing here will ever find you.
Good boy, Captain. You came out. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, I'm going in.
Jack, no.
It won't work, sweetheart. Jack, don't!
I can fit. I'm small enough. Hey, buddy. It's me. Come on, Captain. Let's go together.
I've got you, Jack.
I'm okay. It's nice under here. I know you're scared, buddy. I get it. But we're all with you. Okay, I'm still stuck though. I'm out. That was fun.
You have dust in your hair.
I know.
15 minutes. We need to go now.
We have one more idea.
Oh, I get it.
You do it.
I'll do it. Hey, Captain! Park time! We're going to the park! This way, buddy. Let's go. Come on, Captain. Nice day outside. I know, Captain. I know you're scared, but we're all with you. Come on, Captain.
We're all here.
You can do it, boy.
In you go, Captain. Almost there.
We're with you, buddy.
It's going to be okay, Captain.
He knows where we are. Come on, Captain. It's okay.
It's okay, Captain. We're right here.
Hello. Is this Captain? Come on in.
Hi, Captain. It's okay. Take your time.
Good boy. Nice and still. I'm checking your heart.
It's okay, Captain. I'm scared too sometimes.
He's calming down.
That's the best medicine. Small pinch, almost done.
You're doing great, Captain. Yes.
All done. He is perfectly healthy. He got a treat.
Good boy, Captain.
Look at him. He's so brave.
He did it. Yes. Good boy, Captain. Good boy.
I didn't think we'd make it.
Same every year, Brown.
Remember this treat, Captain? The one you didn't want this morning.
He's on my legs.
Mine too.
It's okay. He's so tired. What a morning, right?
He was so brave.
You were all brave today. I'm proud of all of you.
Same time next year, Captain.
Being brave is not easy. Being brave means doing it, even when you are scared, with the people you love.
Is your dog scared of the vet? Tell us in the comments. What does your pet do?
See you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.